These are example calculations for the lab on the index of refraction, and from the videos I posted I just chose a couple. For example, for the acrylic glass at 70 degrees I'm personally reading off 38.5 degrees, and at 79 degrees, I mentioned in the video, um, I read off 40 degrees, and I would fix this one here to 79. We couldn't quite get it at 80 degrees exactly. So anyway, those are the numbers that I'm using, and now I'm going to plug them into the calculator, and I'm going to hit sine of 70 degrees. Of course, the equation is on top of the page of the lab guidelines. Sine 70 degrees divided by sine 38.5 degrees. Hit enter, and I come up with 1.077, and I just know that that is wrong. Here's what you would have to do on your calculator. Go to mode, and in my case go down a little bit and see where it says radians. That means there are 2 pi to the 1 full circle, but you need it in degrees, which is 360 degrees. So change it from the 2 pi radians to the 360 degrees. Now I can go out here, and when I do the calculation again, there we go. Now I know that it is relatively close to the correct result, 1.51 rounded. In this case, it turns out that the 1 here in the front is the same in every case and does not count as a significant figure. So do write down 1.51, and these two are the two significant figures. Okay, then on this one here, it's going to be sine 79 divided by sine 40, and I come up with 1.53 rounded. Also for the water, a couple of examples. By the way, these are relatively close to the accepted value for acrylic glass. So here's the water. I measured on 30 degrees, for example, 22 as being the refracted angle, and on 40 degrees I'm measuring 28 degrees. So it's going to be sine of 30 divided by sine of 22, and 1.33 sine of 40 divided by sine of 28. There we go, 1.37. And again, these numbers are relatively close to the accepted result. And when you read off angles and you calculate an index of refraction, is appreciably different from these numbers that I came up with here. Those are you may want to consider those to be outliers. Anyway, so these were a couple of examples for the lab on the index of refraction, where all you have to do is watch the videos.